Okay, today we're going to unbox the Powkiddy RGB10 Max.
Wow, this looks...
This is China made. I never received any of this stuff fully sealed, so there's no sticker, nothing. Never been sealed completely.
Wow, this is Powkiddy.
I'm a big fan of the RGB10, but I didn't like the joystick. This one comes with the Switch joystick, so it should be better.
RGB10 Max.
Orange.
Alright, nice.
Manual.
Smallest one I've ever seen.
And USB-C cable.
Yeah, USB-C.
No adapter, nothing.
Oh, I really thought that was an adapter. So yeah.
So here's the unit, bright orange. It has like a rubber feeling, rubber texture to it.
Yeah. It's like rubber, but it's hard. Here's the joystick.
Gonna turn it on. Hopefully it has some charge in it.
Yep.
Okay, it's hard kernel firmware installed.
Nice. Emulak. So, you can comment down what's your favorite video game if you want.
Has over how many games? 20,140 games. Wow.
Let's check out the...
It looked very high def looking.
And...
Looks super nice. A lot of games. Got CD-ROM.
Let's check out the Nintendo Entertainment System games.
I'm gonna try Street Fighter 3. What? 3DO? Yeah, right. 32x19 games. That's not bad. Wow, I like the way it preloaded so many games.
Yeah.
So, Capcom. CP3 has Street Fighter 3, so let's try it.
Let's try it out. Let's go.
Only 4 games, nice. Street Fighter 2, 3, Street Fighter 3, 2.
My question is the Third Strike just the original one?
It feels really good though.
Yeah. So yeah, this is Capcom Street Fighter 3.
Okay, the select, start. 2 extra buttons in the bottom. So I thought this is select, but this is select.
Right?
Gonna pick my favorite character, Ryu.
Or Akuma. Duken.
Wow. Anyway, thanks for watching. And so far, I think this is pretty good.
Nice.
Better than the Ojoy Go Super.
Nice game.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.